They're considered some of the best female volleyball players in Nigeria. The team is made out of players from diverse backgrounds and have won every national title since 2015. Now they're camped here in Nigeria's capital city, Abuja, looking to take the title as the continent's best in Egypt in a few weeks.
Looking at the progress that the players are making as individual and as a team, I believe that we have a chance of qualifying for the next round.
Although the head coach sees positive signs for the team's chances for a world championship win, he acknowledges financial challenges that currently exist.
And we need people to come in and assist the federation as far as sponsorship is concerned. We have to buy tickets for players, we have to pay allowances, we have to do a lot of things. And if we have people coming to assist, the burden will be less on the ministry and on the government itself.
The players say it's not just a lack of finance, but also respect for women in the sport.
Sports in Nigeria, it's not going far for women. Like, they have to support us morally and, financially.
However, many of the players here still remain confident they can win despite their current obstacles.
Success is all about preparation and focus and what is our target. After here, what next do we have to do? Not to go back and relent, but to forge ahead to have a positive result.
And on they play, preparing to face some of the toughest teams on the world stages this October. This is the facility where the team is currently training, but a lack of power supply only allows for 2 hours of practice daily. But that has not deterred the team from moving forward in pursuing a win. Sophia Adengo for CGTN, Abuja, Nigeria.